Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. We are mother bleeping live. Shout out to everybody that's coming in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. Okay, I day trade Monday through Friday, the financial markets. Okay, I day trade that, and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. How I do it, I only look at the charts. Okay. And basically, the charts tell me everything I need to know. I don't have to read a white paper. I don't have to read any news. Okay, I don't care about nothing. All I do is look at the charts. The charts will tell me everything. All right. I've been doing this for 11 years. So hit that subscribe button if you're new to this. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing money. You're tired of seeing your portfolio go down every single month. Every single month. Okay, think about that, sir. Think about that. Every single month, portfolio goes down. If you're tired of that, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn how to make money now, hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. So shout out to everybody that's coming in, tuning in. Right now, I didn't get any notifications. Hope you guys got your notifications, but I don't know if it's coming late or not. But shout out to everybody. Let's get this party started. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. All right, shout out to everybody that's here coming through. All right, let's pop this out. Let's pop this out real quick. Today is a Sunday. All right, it's a Sunday afternoon, 1:57 p.m. Eastern time on my side. So shout out to everybody that's here coming through. Let's see who I got here so far. We're gonna talk about, is it time to sell Bitcoin? We're gonna look over the charts and just answer some questions, man. Just how it works. All right. So let's go to the thing. What's going on, Jay, Constant, Richard, Lawrence, Ahmed, Simon, John, Dan, Mike. All right, what's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Let's go to the coin market cap real quick. Okay. Let's go to that coin market cap real quick. BTC dominance is at 52.5. Right? The market cap is at 119 billion. And I told you right now, they trying to defend the $100 billion mark. So even if we do go below that 100 billion, most likely we might see a bounce from that level. Okay? But it is what it is. They can't defend it forever. So eventually it has to crack. But this is what we have in, I mean, on the weekend, okay, on the weekend they selling it off, so that's telling us that the market is weak. We usually don't get big moves during the weekend, but if they decide to sell it during the weekend, you know the deal, guys. You know the deal. That simply means that this is weak, all right. And we talked about this over and over and over again, okay? Over and over and over again, we talked about this, guys. Shout out to everybody that's coming through, okay? We basically talked about this over and over again. So let's go to the charts, okay? We talked about how when you see big spikes like this on a chart, okay, guys, that's not real buying. That's just a spike just to get certain people out of the market. Okay, so if they want to search for some stop losses, they spike it up real quick just to go right back down, though. Guys, I mean, if I'm sorry to tell you, but if you think that this is the bottom or you're buying the dips, you are stupid. Okay, it's just what it is. I'm gonna say how it is. Okay. It's like to the point where if you go down a certain alley, right, and you get robbed, or you go down a certain block and you get robbed, okay, and you go back to that block and you get robbed again, okay, the first time and the second time we might feel sorry for you, okay? That first time and that second time we might feel sorry for you, bro. Like, man, they took your money, man, I feel sorry for you, man. I know how it is, bro. But that third time, that fourth time, that fifth time, bro, I'm not going to feel sorry for you. You are stupid. After that, you are plain stupid. If you want to continue to buy the dips, If you think the moon is coming tomorrow, next week, next month, guys, you are just, I'm just saying it what it is. You're a loser. It's just what it is, bro. You do not want to change. You want to stay the same, and you want to continue to lose money. All right? You have to change the way you think. You have to change your strategy. If it's not working, you change it, bro. Okay? Guys, we talked about this yesterday. Look, remember this video, guys? This was yesterday's live stream, or day before yesterday live stream. Look at this, okay? This is my chart right here. Remember, I was talking about this, guys, how we could form a flag right here and go right back down. Okay? So for anybody that claims that technical analysis doesn't work, it's just because you don't know how to read the market. All right? We had a big blast right here. Consolidation, guys. This up move is not an up move. It's not a bullish up move. It's just consolidation. That's all it is. Break it. Okay? We broke it down to the downside. Guess what? Another up move. Consolidation. This is not a bullish move, guys. If you know how to read the charts, you can tell that this is this consolidation waiting to just break down. Okay. Now we have to wait to see, how far they want to go. Most likely they're going right back to the 3,200. Okay, unless they decide to find temporary support somewhere. But right now it looks like it wants to go all the way back down. Honestly, it doesn't make any sense right now for these guys to bring it back up. Okay, that really doesn't make any sense. Just continue to go down, continue to go where you want to go, and then from there you go, find support somewhere else. Because right now it just looks super weak. Okay, just like this whole up move right here looks super weak. Okay, we talked about this again time after time, guys. How many times I have to remind you, right? Remember, I told you guys the way I'm looking at this market. It doesn't look like they want to bring this thing up. It looks like they want to keep this as low as possible. Okay? Why do I say that? Because I hear it all the time. I hear a lot of people saying 4,800 or 5,000. Not saying that 4,800 or 5,000 is not possible, but it's a small chance for these guys to bring it up that high. Okay, I told you the reason why is because if they bring it up this high and it goes right back down, it's going to be so obvious when it goes back down, right? So they want to keep it as low as possible to keep you guessing, to keep you saying, man, bro, this looks like it's about to reverse, man. I don't know, let me not short this market no more. Okay. That's how the market does. Like, the market always play with your emotions. That's why you have to be strict. You have to have good money management. You always go with the trend. Forget about what the market or what you think the market is looking like. Okay, if you see a setup and it's a short setup, you take it. Forget about, oh my gosh, they just spiked it up today. Oh man, I don't know, bro. I think this could be the bottom. No, forget about that. The major trend is to the downside. You see a nice setup, you take that short, you put in your stop loss, okay? And that's it. This is the same games that these guys been playing over and over and over. Oh my goodness, man. I mean, why would you want to get hit with the Hadouken? Why? I don't get it. Just don't get it, guys. I mean, I just don't get it. This is why I don't really have time for the trolls on my live stream, bro. When they come on my live stream talking like they know what they're talking about. I told you that every time you see an up move like this is all a distraction. It's just distraction, man. Because you're going to see news stories followed by this, good news stories, all this stuff. All that is a distraction. Okay, you're going to see YouTubers say, hey, man, yo, bro, this could be the bottom, man. You know, this could go up all the way to 5,000. All is a big distraction, bro. You have to look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is, we are in a downtrend, a bear market, and the market is so weak. All right. I'm looking to short every rally. Just how it works. Okay. You really have to learn this stuff. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. All right. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, hit that subscribe button. If you're down 98% or 80%, 70%, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money now during this bear market, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of seeing the same stupid video saying, guys, this is it, this is the bottom, we're going up, 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 okay? Hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of your XRP YouTuber saying, hey man, I got some good news for you, and we continue to go down, hit that subscribe button right now. All right? I'm the guy that will set you free. Okay? If you follow me, two things could happen. You can either save money or you can make money. Okay? Plain and simple. You either save money or you make money with me. A lot of my subscribers saved a lot of money when we crashed below the 6,000 mark. Okay? How? Well, they sold their cryptos. They didn't get caught up in that mess. Okay? Because if they didn't sell, trust me, they would be down 5 figures or more. Not only my subscribers saved money, a lot of my subscribers and students made a lot of money when we crashed. Okay, so, you know, it's up to you at the end of the day. So hit that subscribe button. Type in some questions if you have any questions. I'm going to go over your questions right now. We're going to look at these other charts real quick, and then we're going to go to your guys' questions, all right? We're going to go to your guys' questions real quick. Let's look at these other charts real quick. And you know, we go from there. So Ethereum, we talked about Ethereum the other day. We was like, you know, Ethereum looks so weak. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's bounced and it just went right back down. So all these charts looks weak, guy. I mean, I don't get how you guys always get tricked. Litecoin, same thing. What else? Tron TRX, same crap. And we talked about Tron TRX, okay, resistance right here, selling off. Even though TRX is a slow seller, you know, you got to watch out. Bitcoin Cash dropping like a mother. Look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash looks so weak, man. Honestly, Bitcoin Cash is so much money, bro. If you want to make money, whew, look at Bitcoin Cash, bro. I see this baby going all the way back down, back to the 80s, man. XRP, what's XRP doing? Oh man, XRP looks sad, guys. I mean, it looks sad. You know, we talked about XRP a long time. I mean, a couple of days ago. You know, it is what it is. All right. If you're just tuning in, if you never looked at my live stream before, if you're new to my channel, please don't think I'm a full-time bear. I'm not. I'm a realist. I'm a professional. All right. This is what I do full time. So I love cryptos. All right, I really do. I love them, but at the same time, I'm a I'm a realist that loves to make money. All right, so I will never ever let the market take my money, and you know, and I'm stuck. So what I'm trying to do is show you guys the way. So let's go to these guys' questions real quick, and then we go from there. All right. John said, just got done shoveling snow. Just got here in time, man. Shout out to you, bro, man. I'm so glad I don't have to shovel any snow anymore. That's why I decided to move down south where the sun is at. But shout out to you, bro. We are going down 3,000. Simon said, SS said, I love the guys capture video catches. What's going on, Leslie Savage? How low will it go? 800. Honestly, it could go lower than 800. You know, it could go very low. You really have to understand it has to. it has to basically wipe out all these different cryptos. Leslie Savage said this is going to be Tron's year. That's what I heard. Well, it can't be Tron's year if Bitcoin continues to go down. I mean, it's not going to be nobody's year. Hey, Joseph. Simon said, time for vodka, drown the sour syrup. Simon, bro. Simon, I don't know if you're new to my channel, bro. If you are, hit that subscribe button. Check this out, Simon, bro. Honestly, you don't have to drink. Okay? If you do, it should be about celebration, not because you're depressed. Because, Simon, I don't know, you know, like I said, I don't know if you're new, but, bro, this is money right here. What you see right here is money. You shouldn't be complaining or being depressed. You have to learn how to read the charts. This is money right there, okay? That's money in your pocket right there. So you should be happy, not sad. Shout out to Bima, Ahmed, what's going on? Jane Constant. Can you talk about first resistance and support? What do you want to know about resistance and support? Okay. Basically, resistance and support is just areas on a chart that you see the price bouncing. Okay, so there's different ways to look at resistance and support, but let's say, for example, right here, Bitcoin went all the way down to 6,000, went back up. Okay, you see all this buying right here. That means that if it goes right back down, okay, to this area right here, it's a strong possibility it's going to bounce again because there was a lot of buying right here. Okay, so that's an area of support. Okay, now an area of resistance could be you know, these swing highs. All right, so when we sell off right here, right here, right here, that's resistance. You see how multiple times we sold off in this area, resistance. All right. You could use a trend line as resistance. So you could connect your swing lows or swing highs. Use a trend line. You could use that as resistance. So there's multiple ways you can use resistance. We could go to Tron TRX, and you'll see it all over the place. All right, Tron TRX multiple times when it hit around that 2 cent level, we had rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here. All right, we went up a little bit and then we got rejected again. So this is classic resistance right here. Okay, classic. We tried to go up one more time and got rejected. So that's support and resistance. Okay, you have to look at these swing highs, these swing lows. Look at areas where you see price get rejected multiple times. All right, money in the bank. And you guys, some of you guys is just, I don't get it, bro. Like, some of you guys want to lose. I think some of you guys want to lose. Best Trader said we will stay sideways for a while. This in this trading. Well, it's a possibility, but we don't have to. We can go down back to 3,000, pop back up. We'll go back down, so we can stay in this zone for another month and break out of it. So it don't have to be for a while. From South Africa, shout out to you, Flores. What's going on, Paul? Kaching, yes, Kaching. Oh, what's going on, Keith? Good to see you here. Best Trader said, look at the long-term picture. What do you mean by that? I don't know what you mean by that. How can I make money on Binance? First of all, you can't. Last time I checked, you can't short on Binance. So you have to get an exchange that allows you to short. And that's how you're going to make your money, Jay. All right. Anybody that's asking me how to make money on Binance, first of all, you can't short. Last time I checked, you can't short on Binance. All right. If you want to learn how to make money, I specialize in making money now. Okay. So if you want to go to a channel that tells you, hey, bro, be patient, don't worry, buy the dips, we're going to moon up tomorrow. If you want that information, bro, this is not the channel for you. But if you want to learn how to make money now, like this is what I specialize in. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. I'm a full-time trader. Okay, I make money daily from the financial markets. I trade S&P 500, crude oil, you know, the Russell, like different markets like that. And you know, this is what I specialize in. If you want to learn that, yes, you can hit that subscribe button. Binance doesn't allow you to short, so you have to switch or go to another exchange. All right, and then you have to short these cryptos. Will Bitcoin go down to 1K? You know, I think it, you know, I believe it could go below 1K. All right. You said BTCH back to 80. Yes, I believe it's going to go back to 80. When I don't know, but yes, it looks like yes. Yvonne said, as a newbie, I can't read. Does your course teach that? Yes. Okay. So if you can't read the charts, my course definitely teach that. All right. That's why you have, if you go on my live stream and you see my students posting, you know, they made this, they made that, it's because it's strictly based on learning how to read the charts. So yes, my course does teach you that. All right. And during my live stream, I give you guys that 50% off. So right now, whoever's on this live stream, you don't have my course by now, guys, you're missing out. If you don't have my course by now, you're missing out. Just get it. Okay. Right now, the price is $300 on my live stream. I give you guys a break. I don't have to give you guys a break. I give you a break, bro. I give you a 50% off. So right now, it's going to be 50% off. People email me after the live stream goes off and say, "Hey, bro, I thought the price was $150," and I tell them, "Bro, that was only for the live stream." Okay. I don't know if you guys understand when I say things like this. This $150 is only for the live stream. So when I get off, it's going right back to $300. You guys spend $150 in less than a day, okay, on nonsense. So check that out. This comes with a Discord room. It teaches you how to read the charts. It will teach you how to make money now. It will teach you how to navigate through a bear market and a bull market. Okay, the best of both worlds, a bear and a bull. That's what a professional does. All right, I am a professional. Okay, what that simply means is I can make money full time from this. I don't have to rely on anything else but this. All right, that's what it means. Only way to make a full time living from the markets, you have to learn how to make money both ways. Okay, so for example, let's say if I wanted to be a professional, right? There's no way possible, right? I can actually stay home, let my account go down 80%, and I'm here telling you I do this full time. It's just no way, bro. Okay. So you really have to learn how to make money while we go down too, because I have to pay bills every single month. I have to live the life that I want to live. There's no way I can do that if I just only buy and hold. So I have to learn how to read the charts, learn when we in a bear market, so I can short these bad boys and continue to short these bad boys until that bull market comes. All right, and this course will show you. If you go down, you'll see the testimonials. All right, these testimonials only for people. Only people that made money. It's not about saying, "Hey, man, your course is good, 5 stars." No, it's not 5 stars. This is, "Hey, bro, I made $600. Hey, bro, I made $400. I made $250. I made $800. I made $4,000. I made $15,000." That's what this, the testimonial is about. So check it out. All right. Let's go back to these other questions Richard, I've been a short time subscriber with you. I remember calling you calling it and saying the bearish sentiment since the 6K drop. You're a good man. Shout out to you, Richard. Appreciate it, bro, for you being a subscriber. Let me give you a round of applause. All right. Come on, guys. It's time to wake up. You really have to understand when I come on these live stream and when I tell you guys, hey, bro, this looks weak. I don't see any bulls in sight. It's not because I want to sound smart or trying to go against the herd or, do anything, like that. I'm just basically looking at the chart and giving you guys updates. All right. If it was up to me, I would turn this market bullish today. All right. I would turn it bullish and I would push this bad boy all the way up to 50K if it was up to me. But it's not up to me. OK, and that's the reality we live in. And you have to go with reality, not against it. Let's go back to these questions. Ben, I really like swing trading. I wait 3,200 to see how the market reacts. If to get any advice about swing trading, it is one of the best kind of trading. Shout out to you. You said, is there any advice about swing trading? Basically, be patient. Make sure you have your stop loss in place. Make sure you understand support and resistance. Make sure you know how to read the charts. Okay. If you look at this, this is like textbook right here. Okay. We have a drop. We had a flag, drop, flag. Textbook. Support right here, right? Support. I'm sorry, resistance. This is textbook stuff. It's funny because, a lot of people swear up and down that technical analysis doesn't work, but how come it's working for me? How come it's working for my students? I don't get it, bro. That means that you either looking at someone that doesn't know what he's talking about, or you tried it one time and it didn't work for you just because you don't know what you're doing. I actually had a conversation with some guy named Max the other day, and he asked me, hey, bro, why you only look at technical analysis? Why you don't mix it with fundamentals? Because fundamentals doesn't matter, bro. It don't matter. Okay? In the bear market, fundamentals don't matter, bro. You can have the best news and it can still drop. Look at XRP. Your favorite XRP YouTuber will drown you with good news every single day. All right? Your favorite XRP YouTuber will drown you. Drown you with good news every single day. And look at this. This is why I only look at technical analysis. I don't care about nothing else. All right? When you do this full time and do this long enough, you'll start to see. Some of you guys just really have to sit back and learn. Stop thinking that you know it all. You don't. Right? A lot of you guys just have to unlearn. Okay? I think unlearn is not popular these days. Okay? A lot of people want to learn, or a lot of people don't want to learn, but it's not enough people unlearning. Okay? And unlearning is basically just stripping out all the beliefs that you have right now, all the stupidness that you got in your head. You got to strip it out. Okay? And replace it with good information. So let's go back to these questions and we'll continue. Let me see here. I don't know if you hear my daughter in the background. Let me see. I'll tell you, David said, I sold my Bitcoin 41 pop yesterday. I'm glad I sold it. Yeah, shout out to you, Davis. So Davis, so that's my title today. Should you sell your Bitcoin? All right. that's a hard question, right? Should you sell, bro? That's a very hard question. And the way I will answer that is, you know, if you don't have a lot to, you know, if you went all in, bro, and you can lose a lot, yes, I think you should sell. Okay, I would sell. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but if you went all in, yes, man, get out, bro. That's the way I look at it. If you put a little bit here and there, a couple of $100, you know, maybe you know, maybe you don't have to get out. But I can probably guarantee you, 90% of you guys that's watching and whatever crypto you in right now, you probably went all in. So, you know, if you did that, bro, you know, you need to reevaluate and look at your whole strategy. The way I would do things is I would sell majority of my coins and basically use that money to re-up more. Like, for example, I have students that sold all their crypto, bought my course, and actually they started to make money and make the money back, or the losses that they made, or all the losses from crypto, they making it back right now by swing trading the crypto market or swing trading other markets like the Forex market, commodities, because you can use these strategies other markets for other markets too. And I have day trading students, okay, because I have a day trading class. I have day trading students that's actually making their money back too. So that's what I would do with my money. Does anything look good as this time? No, none. Larry, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, bro. Okay, I've been telling people since March, bro. Early March. It's not time to buy. All right. If you don't believe me, go check my videos. It's not time to buy. You shouldn't be buying nothing. All right. And I'm telling you right now, it's not the time to buy. All right. This thing could go lower, lower, and lower, and lower. All right. Yes, we're going to have rallies in between. Yes, we're going to have bounces in between, because these bounces is just how the market works. And it's going to look good, and you're going to feel good, and you're going to say to yourself, man, this could be the bottom, and this is going to go right back down. Okay, it's not me talking negative. It's just me knowing how the market works, knowing how to chart, knowing how to read the charts. Once you start to read the charts, you won't, get tricked easily. You won't be that guy saying, man, this is the bottom. Okay, because I know how to read the charts. Most people, most rookies, put it like that, think I'm talking negative, but if they really knew how to read the charts, bro, they will say, man, bro, you are doing good. You're saving a lot of people's money, and you helping people make money. Okay. Shout out to you. You said you had to go, Keith. Shout out to you. How much money do you need to begin trading on profit 1 to 5 extra month? Thug Life, all depends on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to swing trade the cryptos, you don't need that much. All right. If you're looking for 500 to 1,000, you don't need that much, bro. Okay. I have students that open an account with $200, and they can double their account in a week or two. Okay. I'm not saying that you're gonna do that. All right. I'm not saying that you can do it. I'm just telling you what my students, what a lot of my students did. All right. It all depends on, you studying, you practicing. I tell everybody before you even go in with live money, practice, bro. Practice first. All right. So you don't need that much money because you're dealing with leverage. All right. So you can take a $200 account and make it $400 by the end of the week. All right. You could take a $500 account and make it $1,000 by the end of the week. You can do something like that. All right. But you just have to practice, get used to the market. All right. You don't need that much money when it comes to shorting the market. Now, when it comes to day trading, you're probably going to start a little bit more. Okay, I have a day trading class. You're going to start with a little bit more. Probably start with maybe 1,500, 2,000. I had a couple of students that probably start with 1,000, but and that you can make money daily. You can make $100 to $200 daily. Okay, with a $1,000, $2,000 account. I know it sounds weird, but it is what it is. You can do it. You said a lot of people are losing money in interest in crypto. Bitcoin has lost for. Yeah, a lot of people losing money, but they don't have to lose money. The reason why they're losing money because they're stubborn and they don't want to change. So it's just what it is, Honestly, guys, hit that subscribe button if you're losing money. Okay. I don't know if you guys remember this. You remember this, guys? This video right here. You guys, man, I don't get it, bro. Like, you really have to change. All right. You don't have to lose money. You can actually make money. But you just have to be that guy to take that next step. Hey, what's going on, Crypto Curry? Yeah, let's make this money. Let's get this money, bro. Let's get this money. Ka-ching, ka-ching all day. All day, bro. Bobby said, why are people so programmed and stuck in the matrix? Yes, the matrix, man. Honestly, a round of applause for those guys that create the matrix, bro. Those guys know what they're doing, bro. They know what they're doing. Okay. Shout out to, and I hate to shout these dudes out, but shout those guys out that created the matrix, because those guys really know what they're doing. They know how to control billions of people without even, lifting a finger. They got it on lock, bro. And how they do it is, I tell you how they do it, bro. They do it through the school system, man. I'm telling you, bro. They start you off young, okay? They start you off young, bro. Why do you think when you go to school, you don't learn nothing? Let's be, honest for a second. When you go to school, and it's funny because when I noticed, right? When I graduated from junior high school and after I graduated from high school, I realized, bro, I said to myself, after I graduated high school, I said to myself, bro, the stuff that I learned in high school, man, I don't need that stuff. I could have stopped school at the age of 13 and I'll be good, because all you have to know how to do is read and write and math. Because everything you learn in school is nonsense, bro. You don't use it in the real world. And this is how these guys could control billions of people. They do it through the school system. It's the best brainwashing system out there, okay? Because these guys know that the brain and the mind is a powerful thing, okay? And once you shut down your brain, and once you brainwash it, bro, you turn into a zombie. So that's why most crypto investors will lose. Most crypto YouTubers are going to go out of business because these guys are just straight up brainwashed. You said why is Bitcoin a scam? I don't know if it's a scam. All I can say is the people that's behind it, it's definitely not good people. The concept is not a scam. The concept is actually good. The people behind it, yeah, those guys are not good. Fetch said get his course. He's for real. Shout out to you. Fetch is actually one of my what do you call that? One of my students. Simon said, I wish I could afford the 50% off. Bro, you could afford 150. I know you can. Okay. Buy the dip. Okay, if you want to lose money, yeah, you buy the dip. All right. Actually, I was looking at a video. What was that guy name? Bitcoin fund manager. Someone mentioned him the other day. Now he's saying that he's gonna double down, guys. He's gonna double down. That means he's probably gonna get wrecked because if Bitcoin decides to continue to go down, bro, it's a wrap. Double down on your low, man. You never double down, bro. When is your next live stream? Just woke up. 50% off your course tomorrow. I'm in. My next live stream. Tomorrow's a holiday. All right, tomorrow's a holiday, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but maybe Tuesday. Who knows? But shout out to you, bro. If you get the course, let me know because it comes with a Discord room. Is this course the crypto profit grabber? Yes, Daniel. Why? What happened, Daniel? John said, if you are on the fence, please take my advice. Ben's course on Priceless. It will teach you many things, but the most important thing it will teach you, the most important thing is it will change your perspective for the better. Shout out to you, John. John is actually one of my students. I love when my students speak up because, you know, I can say anything because it's my course. But when you have, you know, students telling you, you know, what's the deal, that is better. That's way better than me trying to tell you. And honestly, guys, I don't even care if you get my course or not. All right. At the end of the day, I'm going to be straight. All right. Because I trade full time. All right. Most of you guys are in a position that, you know, in a horrible position, you know, and you're probably down 80 to 90%. So a lot of you guys really need to learn how to read the charts. I'm trying to give you guys a chance, right? I'm giving you guys 50% off during the live stream. If you can't afford 150, that means first of all, that means that you shouldn't be in the crypto market, period. Okay? And I'm not trying to like talk down on anybody. I'm just saying you shouldn't be in the crypto market if you can't afford 150, right? Just what it is. Now, if you want to get this, all right, this is going to cost a little bit more because I'm showing you how to make money daily, all right? I'm showing you how to extract money daily from the markets. So this is going to cost more, all right? If you have the crypto course, you get a discount. So right now it's $9.50, but you can get a discount if you have the crypto course. Just email me. Here's that link for the crypto course if you don't have that. Let's go back to these questions, though. Let's go back to these questions. You said can we get a Hadouken for the hodlers? Yeah. You said you made $95 yesterday thanks to your live streams and course. Shout out to Peter. Peter is actually one of my students. He made $95, guys. All right. While you guys is talking about we're gonna moon tomorrow, and this is the bottom. He's making money. All right. He's making money. Hold on, guys. I mean, my daughter is acting up. I don't know if you guys can hear her. She's acting up, but he wants me to give them the Moon Boys Hadouken. Hadouken! Okay? You know. Jesus said, I just bought more. Oh, man, bro. Why did you buy, bro? Jesus, I'm quite sure you're not new to my channel, bro. I'm quite sure you're not new to my channel, bro. I'm quite sure you are not new to my channel. I'm quite sure I saw you before here, Jesus. Why are you buying Bitcoin, all right? Or any coin? Why are you buying more, bro? Stop it, bro. Stop listening to these stupid YouTubers. Stop listening to these crazy YouTubers, bro. Ben saved me a thousand a couple. You said 1,000 a couple of months ago. I've been building on that, man. Shout out to you, bro. Are you trading crypto or stocks? I'm trading the futures market. All right, the futures market, and I trade the S&P 500. I trade the crude oil. I trade the Russell. Okay, you can trade the Nasdaq, the Dow, gold, silver, a lot of other vehicles you can trade. Doug Light said, "Thanks for answering." Yeah, no problem, bro. Jesus, I don't know why you're buying anything right now. I don't know anybody why you're buying stuff right now, bro. You have to wait for confirmation, bro. Stop letting the Moon Boys, these stupid YouTubers, the news, CNBC, all these guys fool you. All right? Wait for confirmation. Why are you buying for it? There's no confirmation. All I see is lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Like, guys, stop getting hit. You remember this game right here? Some of you guys getting clipped, bro. Like, finish him. Like, let's see some finishing moves, guys. Fight. Why do you want to get hit, bro? Finish him. Let's see if I get some finishing moves right here. Let's see. I'm trying to get a finishing move. Give me a second, bro. Here we go. Here we go. This is a finishing move right here. Let's get that finishing move. Why do you want to be this guy? Why? Fatality. I don't get it. You wait for confirmation, bro. Wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. What is so hard for that? We are making lower lows, bro. Lower highs. Why do you want to get wrecked? This is not a game. This is not a video game. This is not nothing that, guys, this is a business. This is why most people are going to get wrecked. I tell you right now, they think that the bull market is coming 2020. These guys are going to get wrecked. You know why? Because they hear from YouTubers. YouTubers are saying, "Hey man, 2020." I heard one popular YouTube saying that they think the bottom is going to be in 2019. Okay. I heard another popular YouTuber said that 2020 is going to be the moon year, when we're going to go up. And you know what's going to happen? People are going to go all in, and they're just going to get wiped out, bro. It's just anyway. Back to these questions. I'm going to get your course. Going back to trading penny stocks, S&P. Yes, man. Shout out to you. If you get my course, let me know. Because both of my courses come with a Discord. All right. So let me know whatever course you get. Like I said, this course comes with the crypto course. If you don't have the crypto course already, if you do have the crypto course already, you can get a discount with this. Okay, I'll give you the link right now with both courses. But like I said, just let me know because it comes with a Discord. Let's go back. I'm just wondering if I had the same course. Okay, I see. Yeah, Daniel, you have the same course. Only course you don't probably have is this one right here. You don't have this one. This shows you how to day trade the futures market. All right, that's the only one you probably don't have. Let's go back. You're showing your age. You showing your age with the video game, loving it, Lance. Yeah, man, that's a throwback right there. Buying a dip is just buying a higher low. Shout out to TP. With the government shutdown, trading is recession proof. There's very valuable skill to learn. Yes. All right. So, guys, basically, what's going on right now is just we selling off on the weekend. Tomorrow is a holiday. We're probably going to sell off again. Things could get ugly. And basically, we might bounce from that 32 level or 31 level. All right. but I don't want you guys to get hit. Okay, I hear I hear these moon boys, these YouTubers saying that it all depends on back if they come this year, bro. Forget about back, bro. These guys are not going to save the market. First of all, I don't even think these guys are even coming in the market. I think they playing games with you. Number two, even if they do come in the market, they are not saving the market. You have to wait for confirmation if you want to, if you want that bull market to come. You can't just buy the dips just because you have a hunch or feeling inside, or just because you read an article or anything like that. You have to learn how to read the charts. This is why I try to tell Max, because Max, thought he thought he knew everything. How many times you gonna be that guy by the bottom and you get wiped out? It's the same old story every single day. A green bar pops up and we go right back down. In the markets, you have losers, you have winners. What side do you want to be in? What side do you want to be on? You want to be a loser or do you want to be a winner? All right? Let's go back to these questions. If you have any questions, please. Edward Park said fundamentals don't matter in the bear market. Yes, the charts matter. Okay. You said you might want to suggest trade unit. Lance, you have basically, don't you have the course? Lance, you have the course? What's going on, Sean? Peyton said, this is Peter. I emailed you this week. Yeah, Lance. So if you have the course, then I tell you to start low, okay? I tell you to start low. And, you go from there. If you have a small account, you shouldn't be max going crazy with your leverage anyway. So you should, if you keep your leverage low, you shouldn't be having no margin calls. Let me read these questions. Do you think $200 is enough to start? Peyton, you can start with nothing. You can start with $0. Okay, you can start by just doing a demo account. So I have students start with $100, $200, but you have to be patient and you have to learn how to read the charts. You have to practice. Okay, but yes, I have students start with $100, $200. All right. Just get your feet wet. All right. The knowledge is the key. Forget about the money. Knowledge, gain the knowledge, bro. Gain the knowledge. All right. Once you gain the knowledge, you don't have to worry about the money, because you're gonna figure out a way to get the money. Trust me. Even if you have to do some side work, anything. If you didn't, anybody on this live stream right now, if you didn't make any money last year, and it looks like we're going to continue to go down this whole year, so you're probably not going to make no money this year. So it's going to be 2 years straight. Okay? Most likely 2020, you're not going to make another dime. Okay? So some of you guys have to really ask yourself, do I want to go this long without making any money? So let's go back to these questions. If you guys don't have any questions, I can, close the show. But guys, this is what we're looking at right now. Continuation to the downside. I've been saying this my whole, the whole month, in January. I've been telling you guys, I believe that these guys want to keep this as low as possible. They want to continue to go right back down to probably 32, 31, maybe find support right here. So we probably gonna get a bounce. Even if we go, most likely we will break the low. Even if we do break the low, I believe we probably gonna get some type of bounce when we break that low. Go up right here, all right. And it's probably gonna be a big triangle, bro. Okay, we probably gonna form a big triangle just to go right back down. Okay. Start learning how to read these charts. So let's go back. Lance, if you have my course, Lance, rewatch the videos. I tell you guys to start with 0.001, Lance. You know that. And you can increase it little by little. Once you get used to it, once you build up your account, all right, most of you guys are not going to listen to me anyways. Most of you guys are going to up your leverage up and try to make $1 million tomorrow. So honestly, it doesn't even matter what I say at the end of the day. Can you give us a detailed explanation on shorting? Also, what platform you trade off of? Richard, I definitely explained shorting so many times. I'm gonna go real quick. I'm not gonna really go in details. I did it so many times. Shorting is basically selling. It's basically the opposite of buying. Okay, so if you want to buy your favorite coin, you would go to one of your favorite exchanges. You'll press that buy button, and you will get in. You will get your coins. All right. Well, shorting is the opposite. Instead of pressing buy, you will press sell. Right. The only thing with shorting is you don't have to own the coin. So you can fund your account. You don't have to own the coin itself. You press that sell button, all right? But you have to learn how to read the charts. You have to learn how to read the charts, all right? You look at these patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over, and you go from there. If you want more information, Richard, you can go on my videos, look at my videos, or you can get my course, which comes with a Discord room. You can speak with my students. We post charts. We talk about crypto. All right. You can get this only you could get the price is during the live stream. All right. That $150. $300 is when I get off. It's going right back. So Richard, don't let shorting confuse you. It's just simple. It's the same thing as buying. All you have to do is press sell. All right. Please do not let it get, complex and all that stuff. Chuck said, "What's my top 5 coins?" I don't have a top 5 coins. Chuck, what I do, I'm a professional, so I don't really believe in hodling. All right, especially during a bear market. All right, I might do some hodling during a bull market, but a bear market, bro, no. I will never hodl anything. I will never let these guys take my money. So what I do, I go in and out the market. All right. So I don't have a top anything. Okay. I'm treating these coins like like I'm a pimp, and I'm dating them, and I'm going in and out. All right. So if I short BTC, I'm out. I'm in and out. Boom, make my money. If I short Ethereum, I'm in and out, make my money. I'm treating it like a date, going on to the next date. All right. I'm not marrying any of these stocks or these coins. I don't care about these guys, right? Because they don't care about me, all right? Once you start to think like that, realize what the games are and what type of games these guys are playing, you will start to realize, bro, you can make money from this daily, all right? Weekly, monthly, okay? Once you start to fall in love with a certain coin, a certain stock, that's when you are in trouble, because you are very vulnerable when it comes to bad news or a recession, or when the market goes down. So I don't care about that stuff. Right now we are in a recession when it comes to the crypto market, and you really have to understand how to make money during a recession. That's why most people get wiped out. Most people lose because they don't know how to make money during a recession. It is what it is. You have to understand how to do that. Keith said, big pimpin' Ben. Yeah, I mean, like I said, bro, you know, most of you guys probably don't even understand what I'm trying to say, but it is what it is, you know. So keep the quick questions coming. If you guys have any more questions, come, let the questions come in. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these charts. I told you guys I'm going to continue to do this, all right? Because I'm quite sure I'm getting, new subscribers coming through, new viewers coming through. So I'm going to continue to flip these charts over to let you understand that we are in a bullish market, all right? AKA bearish market. Because some of you guys really can't read the chart. Some of you guys, look at the chart. When it goes down, you can't. For some reason, like Jesus just came in here and he said he just bought Bitcoin. Okay, if Jesus saw this chart, all right, this is Bitcoin flipped upside down. So if he looked at this chart right here, he would know that Bitcoin is very bullish to the downside. It's very bullish to the downside. So this is Bitcoin turned upside down. If you didn't know this was Bitcoin, guys, you know for a fact, you would say, wow, this chart looks very bullish. I'm looking to buy right now. All right. Let's look at another chart. Let's clean this up a little bit. Let me see if I clean this up. All right. Let's clean this up without all those lines. Okay. This is a better chart right here. You see how, just zoom out, bro. I mean, look at this sweetness, bro. We are breaking out. Okay. And for you guys that can't, for some reason, you can't, you can't read a bear market. What is this right here, guys? This is a breakout. It looks like we're going to break out and continue to go back down. I mean, yeah, continue to go back up, right? And some of you guys just have to, realize, bro, this is what it is. I don't control the market. You don't control the market, so don't get mad at me, all right? It's just what it is. We could look at more coins. Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin looks bullish, right? Look how bullish this thing looks. Whew. Look like we're going right back, like all the way. Look like we're going all the way to zero, right? All the way to zero. That's what look like we're going. Where are we going? Let's see with BAC. Look at this, real bullish. All right, definitely this looks like we're going back to zero, right? What else? XRP. Sheesh. Now I told you guys XRP looks scary, right? XRP has a big triangle looking like it's ready to break out. XRP definitely looked like it's trying to go back to zero. All right. So this is what I'm trying to show you guys, bro. Like, some of you guys just don't understand. Like, the charts are your friends. The chart is your friend. All right. You don't need nothing else but the chart. All right, let me flip this back down. See if you guys have any questions. If not, I'll get out of here. But it was definitely a nice little live stream. Shout out to you guys for tuning in. I sold my 4 BTC yesterday, man. Shout out to you, Chuck, selling your BTC. That's what's up. You know, a lot of crypto YouTubers will get mad at you if you said that to them. Bro, why you sell your crypto for, man? You stupid. They would get mad at you, bro. Me over here, I'm not getting mad at you, because I understand. Shout out to you, Chuck. Oh man, funny. Pimp slapping. Oh man, pimp slapping these coins. That's funny. What is the best place to short? You can short BitMEX if you're not in US, right? You can short that BitMEX. Some people use the VPN. You can use JavaX. You can use another website. Just email me. Peter said you call it, man. Shout out to you. TPD said, thanks for doing these live streams and trying to help the little guy, man. No problem. Eric said, I sold my BTC at 3,700, looking to scoop it back up. When are you looking to scoop it back up, Eric? All right, because honestly, Eric, my next question is, why do you want to scoop it back up anytime soon? I mean, this thing is pointing down. Eric Parr said, I'm actually having fun learning the charts. Yes, that's why, once you start learning the charts, you will get addicted, addicted to this stuff because it's fun, all right? And you'll start to realize, man, I can't believe all this money is right in front of me and I didn't know it. All right? Actually, guys, Eric said when the time is right. Yeah, that could be years from now. Ask yourself, guys, why did Charlie Lee sell all his coins? Okay, why did Charlie Lee, a guy that basically, had a lot of coins, decide to sell all his coins at the top? You have to ask yourself that question. Because he probably knows, bro, that this thing is going to tank so hard that it's going to probably take forever to even do anything, okay? Because most of the guys don't understand the bigger the drop, the longer it takes to recover, bro. And I'm not talking about recover in 2 years, 3 years, bro. I'm talking about 6, 7, 8, 10 years, bro. All right? Because think about it. If Charlie Lee thought that the Bitcoin was going to, Bitcoin was going to 50K, I don't think he would sell his coins. Right? So he probably got some inside information from, the big dogs, and he sold all his stuff. All right? Just think about it. The market cap is at 119 right now, right? And before it was at what was it, 830 something? Just think about that, bro. That's literally like $700 billion gone, okay, from the market cap. And honestly, that's not little people. That's not the retailers, bro. Like, we don't have that type of money, bro. That's big dogs selling. So you have to ask yourself why these guys are just throwing this market down. Okay. Dom said Charlie's a bum. I know he is. Lance, is oil trading closed tomorrow? It might be open, but if it is open, it's probably gonna trade slow because it's the holiday. I know, like the stock market is closed tomorrow. Okay, oil might be open, but it might trade slow, so it might not be even worth it to trade it. I don't know. You can check it out. You said been glued to the charts this whole weekend. Yes, that's what you had to do, Edward. You have to be glued to the charts. So shout out to you, man. All right. Whenever you get that time, you study the charts, bro. All right. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Continue to study, continue to improve, continue to, go to the next level. Some of you guys will never get it. Some of you guys will still stay the same because some of you guys are lazy. Some of you guys think that there's no way possible we will go below 3,000. And those are the guys that's going to probably suffer, right? It is what it is. I've been through this so many times. But talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. Continue to study. And, go from there, guys. If you have any questions, you can email me. But talk to you guys later and have a great day.